Today, we're excited to introduce the Realme Narzo 70. The Narzo 70 features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, and the 120Hz refresh rate, a peak brightness of 1200 nits make for a display brilliantly luminous. This phone powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset and comes with options of 6GB or 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Capture every moment with the dual camera setup, featuring a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. And for the selfie lovers, a 16MP front camera ensures you'll always look your best. The Narzo 70 doesn't just look good on the outside, it sounds great too, thanks to its stereo speakers. One of the most impressive features is the 5000 mAh battery, which supports 45W fast charging. Available in olive green and sky blue, the Realme Narzo 70 is as beautiful as it is powerful. Starting price of about 18,566 Indian rupee. So, if you're looking for a smartphone that offers top-notch features and blazing fast performance, the Realme Narzo 70 might just be the perfect choice for you. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and updates. We're always here to bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology.